Can you imagine just turning this Google TV interface, which is loaded with ads and recommendations, into something like the Apple TV interface? With this custom launcher, we have zero ads, zero content recommendations, and it is absolutely free, and even someone with no technical skills can still manage to pull this off. Hello and welcome, guys. Have you ever noticed that the more you spend on your streaming setup, the less control you actually have over it? Look at this. This is a standard Google TV interface in 2026. It's supposed to be a smart hub, but instead it feels like a digital billboard. You've got half the screen taken up by sponsored banners, endless rows of recommendations for apps you don't even have installed, and menus that are more interested in selling you a movie than letting you watch one. Now compare that to this. This is that same hardware, but running a clean, minimalist setup inspired by the Apple TV. No ads, no clutter, just your apps, a beautiful high-res background, and an interface that actually stays out of your way. The problem is that Google are leaning harder than ever into content discovery, which is really just a polite way of saying they're filling your home screen with ads. But you don't have to buy a $200 Apple TV box to get this premium experience. Today, I'm going to show you how to take back your Google TV device and transform it into the minimalist masterpiece it was always meant to be. We're stripping away the bloat and building the cleanest interface possible. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make it your default home screen and custom launcher, so that every time you turn on your device or back out from an app or setting, you will be greeted with this same Apple TV screen. So make sure to watch the full video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. To turn this Google TV into an Apple TV interface, we first need to install a custom launcher from the Google Play Store. The name of the app is AT4K Launcher, and it is easily available in the search results. Once you open the app, carefully read and grant all necessary permissions for the app to work properly. The interface is exactly like the Apple TV 4K device. Personally, I absolutely loved the minimalist design, but first I want to go through some settings that are essential for it to work at all times. You'll see an adjustment tab on the top right of the screen, which will allow you to adjust every setting on the custom launcher. So we've got premium, themes, control, and appearance options. The one-time premium fee unlocks custom wallpapers, video wallpapers, even number of apps per row. But these are just excessive options. What we want on our custom launcher is 100% free. Under themes, we can change it to light or dark theme, but under controls, we can easily set this launcher to default. Under accessibility service, we will grant the necessary permissions, and then by scrolling all the way down to AT4K launcher, we can enable this launcher to be our default launcher. Similarly, we will also need to enable the subsequent options, including Override Back Button Exit, Override Current Launcher, and Start on Boot, in order to fully override the current Google TV launcher with this one. That's your custom launcher now set. So if you were to restart your device now, you will open this default custom launcher instead of the Google TV launcher. But before we do that, there's one more thing I'd like to point out. Under Appearance, you'll find options to customize the general layout of the apps. But this one setting is pretty important. Under App Manager, you can easily choose to hide certain apps that you don't want on the home screen. This will not disable the apps, rather it would just hide them. For me, I would like to hide certain applications such as Browse Here, Google Play Games, So Player, Wolf Launcher, and one more app, probably Dazen. So now these apps will not appear on my home screen, and these might usually be the unimportant ones. Alright, let's press back, and it should take us to this custom launcher. There it is. We'll also restart the device now, but before that, another thing to mention is that if you want different apps to be showing on the first row of your apps, then you can long press the app and select Move, and place it anywhere you feel like. So that way, only the best apps are right in front of your eyes and you don't need to navigate too much to get them. Alright, so now let's restart our device and see whether we are still able to access the custom AT4K launcher directly. And there you have it. As the device boots back up, notice the difference. We've effectively turned a budget-friendly Google TV into a premium, minimalist powerhouse. With about 5 minutes of work and zero cost, you've taken back control of your TV. If this guide helped you clean up your streaming setup, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button and subscribe for more ways to make your tech work for you, not the other way around. Drop a comment below and let me know which app you're moving to your top row first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.